Looking for a discounted company where you can purchase diamond paintings that are also good quality as well as fun? If you are, I have the perfect thing for you today. Hey y'all, I have two diamond paintings that I want to share with you today from Paint Some Way. Paint Some Way did send these to me for a review. I have shown several of their kits and also their organizers on my channel. So let's first take a look at this one. And one thing that I do like to caution for the discount companies, and this is not just Paint Some Way, it is for all the discount companies, or even not even discount, but all companies in general. I would make sure to see if they are licensed. Paint Some Way is not. And the Chinese companies that are generally the discount ones are typically not licensed, which means that they do not pay the artist for the work. I always check to make sure that anything that I am getting from them is not someone else's work. And I do have a video from, I think it was last year, where it shows how to go in and check. And I will put that at the top of the eye in case you're interested. Now this is a little different what I have here. It does come with a toolkit, which is just a very, very standard toolkit. This is a boat. It's a little plate of wax and a pen with a single placer. And then this is kind of like a banner, I believe. But I don't remember what this, let's see. This can just go, you can just hang this up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of these. Now you can either hang these up if you wanted to and stretch it out as a banner, or you can just put this 3M on the back here and you can have them as magnets. These aren't really heavy duty, but they do work. You would just peel this off, place it on the back, which I guess I can go ahead and do it now. It's not hard to peel off. You just place it on the back here, like so, and then it's a magnet. So you can have this as a fridge magnet, or you can have it on a filing cabinet, or anything that's metal. You would also want to take this plastic off, and I'll go ahead and do that too, just so you can see what this is. I thought this would be really cute for summer. There's butterflies there, there's a bow here, and it does have all the numbers, everything that you need. Now what you would need to do with these is, let me open this. I'm so sorry for the crinkling. I like to open these up in front of you guys, or I would go ahead and have already done this part. But everything that's on here, because this is not a canvas and it's just magnets, you wouldn't be able to see a schematic on the side, obviously. They put it on the drill package. So if you look at this one, I'm going to move this out of the way so it does not get stuck with the drills. So if you look at the drills, it's trying to focus. This one is BB016 and it shows number 1. So you would locate number 1 on here, and then that's how you would diamond paint it. And for those of you that are new to diamond painting, it is very similar to paint by numbers or coloring, and you just locate the symbol and you're going to put that symbol on your diamond painting, or in this case your little magnet. And each one of these will work for all of the colors. Not every color is going to be in each one of these, but you would need to either put these in a small cup or container, unless you're going to spread all of these out at one time and work on these. that may take a while. So I would suggest put these in some type of a container, have them labeled so you know what the symbols are. Each one of these magnets are different. Like for instance, this one has a sunflower, you can see there, and then they're in pots. Then you have this one, and they're even different shapes. But I thought this would be really cute. My daughter loves magnets, and so she's going to diamond paint this, and that's why I went ahead and took the plastic off on this one. And there is a little bit of a glare. I took the plastic off on this one because she wants to go ahead and do it as soon as I am done with this video. And you do have enough of the magnets for each one of these. So that is the first one. I'm going to move this over to the side along with the drills. And then let's actually look at the diamond painting. I thought this would be really perfect for, kids, because it's small enough that it is going to hold their interest, but it's not a large diamond painting where they're going to get tired of it really quickly. Move that over to the side. Then we have a diamond painting and more crinkling. That is the bad part of our hobby, is that there is so much plastic. Okay, on this one, now the other one came in bags that you'd have to open and put into a container. This actually comes in baggies that are sealed, so you can just use the number that's on the bag and correspond that to your schematic. The schematic is on the diamond painting, so let's take a look at that. And this is static galore. Goodness. Okay. It is really bad static. This shows that this is DMC number 223. And this is 01. And so 01 is going to be our symbol. At least I'm assuming that's what it is. Or actually 01 is the number of this bag. So there's 1 through how many ever. And the symbol is not on here. So you'd have to look at the canvas. With discount companies, they do not come with a sticker sheet, so you have to make your own sticker sheet. And this one is really wrinkly. This has 18 colors. And it comes with the same toolkit that the other one did. That toolkit over to the side. This one is a 40 by 40 centimeter. It does have a number on it, which should correspond to what's on the bag. I'll look at the back of the bag to see. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it does not. It does on the back side here. I'm looking at it upside down. We have right here, we'll focus. We have K1913. It is not focusing today. There it goes, a little better. It is trying to focus on the painting and it doesn't want to focus on this, but it is here, K1913. And this one is 2 grandmas that are wearing their pajamas and their little house slippers, and they're doing a dance. And when I saw this, it reminded me of my mom and my aunt. When they would get together, they would just act so silly. But when they were separate, they were just, real stern and just real proper. But you get them together and they would just act really silly and do these kind of things. So when I saw this, I thought that would be the perfect thing to get for them. And here is the table with the schematic, has all of your symbols on it. What drives me crazy, and this one is the same way, a 1 is a Z. So I don't know why they don't have any numbers. On this one, they don't have any numbers as symbols, but they have Z as number 1. The drill field looks fairly good. You would need to leave this out for a couple of days, have something heavy on top. Some people actually like to put canvases like this underneath their mattress and just let it flatten out. You would not want to diamond paint it like this. Even taking the plastic off, you still see where it's not straight. It's actually crinkled, and you can't even iron these. I've never done that. I don't iron my clothes. I'm not going to iron my diamond paintings, but it does have a lot of color blocking through here, which means you'll be using the same symbol, the same color, and that's really good if you want to give this to someone to teach them how to diamond paint. The sticky, let's see, that's very sticky. It does go off over onto the side, so you'd want to use washi on the side so you don't get it dirty. But you do have a schematic on both the left side and the right side here. And then you have all of your colors. These are lots of blues. I would think it'd be more pink, but it's lots of blues here, some whites. You do have some burgundy there. They do not include any special drills. Of course, if you have any extra and you want to add them, then you definitely could. I would probably add to their earrings possibly, and also to her glasses will be kind of cool to bling those up a little bit. Maybe this plant over here. A lot of times I don't use special drills on any of these type of canvases because I save those for my premium canvases, but you can do whatever because it is your diamond painting. I've never had an issue with running out of drills. Now, if you do run out of drills, I don't know if they would replenish them for you. I have no idea, but I've never run out, so it's not been a problem for me. So that's all that I have for you today, guys. I have the magnets and I have this diamond painting that I think is just super, super cute. And I will put the description below on both of these. So check them out if you're looking for something that's rather cheap and something that is quick, maybe in between those large projects that we all seem to be doing this summer. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.